Baby beluga in the deep blue sea. Swim so wild and you swim so free.
Here, here, we are here. Here, here, we are here. Here, here, we are here. We are here at circle time. Hello, happy kids, how are you? Hello, excited kids, how are you? Hello, curious kids, how are you? I'm so glad to see you. Here, here, we are here. Here, here, we are here. Here, here, we are here. I'm so glad to see you. Hello, mommies, how are you? Hello, grandmas, how are you? Hello, children, how are you? I'm so glad to see you. Hello, my friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to another circle time video. It's nice to see you. Can you say hello? Hello? Hi, there you are. It's nice to see you. Are you ready for circle time today? Yes? Well, if you are ready for circle time today, shake your body. There you are. If you are ready for circle time today, clap your hand. There you are. If you are ready for circle time today, tap your hand on your lap. There you are. If you are ready for circle time today, wiggle your fingers. Yeah. So, I'm so ready, friends. Let's do it. Chaga, 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 chaga. The music train is coming. How are you? The music train is coming. How are you? The music train is coming. The music train is coming. The music train is coming. How are you? And we say hello to. How are you? And we say hello to. How are you? And we say hello to the mommies. And we say hello to Christina. And we say hello to everyone. How are you? Friends, it's nice to see you. Oh, who's here? Hello, my friends. Hi, it's nice to see you. Hi, Rafi. How are you doing? I'm so happy because I love circle time and just came on time. Yes, Rafi, you just came on time. I'm just on time to hear about my trip. Do you have a trip? Yes, I have a trip. And you know, okay, let me show you, okay? It's better than unexplained, okay? Children, do you want to see my trip? Okay, so come with me. Hi friends, how are you doing? Guess what? I am at the subway station right now. Yes. I just came here just to have a peek of what is going on, take a few pictures, videos of the trains to share with you. I know too many of you love trains, so it is why I came here. And you know what? If I need to go inside of the station, I need to wear my mask just for safety reasons because we are in the pandemic right now. Yes, and also I need to pay because I am an adult, so I need my Presto card. Children, they don't pay. 0 to 12 in Toronto, you don't pay, but still you need to tap your Presto card. The city is wide and the city is big, so we need subway to move around. So with the subway, we can go up to the north, south, east, and west. Yeah? And it's pretty nice to have this amazing subway service. And today I brought some songs for you to share. So I hope and I wish you like it. And I know Rafi will be so excited to know I came here. So let's sing together. So you took a ride in the subway? Yes, I did. I love subways, right? I know, Rafi. And what about you, children? Have you ever took the subway? Maybe yes, maybe no. But so far, I have the perfect song to teach you and to teach you, Rafi, about subway. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Oh, the city is big and the city is wide, so we use the subway when we want to take a ride. We go deep underground when we want to get around, and the train doors open with a big whoosh sound. And the people get in and the people get out, and the people get in and the people get out, and the people get in and the people get out, and the train zooms off. Whoosh! Mommies, if you have a baby at home, just hold the baby, and when we sing and the people get in, you just move the baby back and then forward. And the people get in and the people get out, and the people get in and the people get out. Ready? Okay, so let's do it one more time, okay? Oh, the city is big and the city is wide, so we use the subway when we want to take a ride. We go deep underground when we want to get around, and the train doors open with a big whoosh sound. And the people get in and the people get out, and the people get in and the people get out, and the people get in and the people get out, and the train zooms off. Whoosh! Yeah! That was fun. Just keep practicing this song anytime. I know we have lots of children that really love trains. All kind of trains. Subway train, regular trains, streetcars that are kind of trains. So I love trains, and I have another song for you, my friends. And this is a pretty well-known song, but I just changed the lyric. Yeah. And this song says so. I know you're gonna know it. The wheels on the trains go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the trains go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the trains go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the trains go open and shut, all through the town. The horn on the train go beep, 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 beep. The horns on the train go beep, 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 all through the town. The driver on the train said, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the train said, move on back, all through the town. The mommies on the train say, I love you, I love you, I love you. The mommies on the train say, I love you, all through the town. Yeah. How do you like that song? I know you know the wheels of the bus, but now we can also sing the wheels on the train. So keep practicing. And I now have a rhyme. Mommies, if you have a baby, just place the baby facing you. There you are. If you have an older child, just ask your child to sit facing you also on the floor. And we are going to say the next chant, and it's pretty fun. This is a choo-choo train puffing down the track. Now it's going forward, now it's going back. Now the bell is ringing, bing, bing, bing. Now the whistle blows. What a lot of noise it makes everywhere it goes. Let's do it one more time. You don't need to have the whistle. You just can say choo-choo. Ready? Let's do it. This is a choo-choo train puffing down the track. Now it's going forward. Now it's going back. Now the bell is ringing. Ding, ding, ding. And the whistle blows. What a lot of noise it makes everywhere it goes. Yeah. Oh my goodness, friend. We are having lots of fun with trains. And sometimes I want to share something with you. Sometimes when you go on a train trip, you can see sometimes other passengers. Yes, in the train, sometimes you may find some itsy-bitsy friends. Yes. So, can I see your itsy-bitsy fingers moving around? Let's sing together. The itsy-bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy-bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yes! Should we sing this one more time? Let's do it. The itsy-bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy-bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yeah! I love this song, and I know that sometimes Subway rides takes the mommies, into more creative mode, because mommy have to have sometimes books with them. They have to have ready maybe some props to sing with the children. Sometimes the rides are long and children get uncomfortable. So it's good for you mommies. Every time you take the subway and you know that you are going to have a kind of a long trip, bring books with you, bring puppets, bring some props to sing with your child during your ride. Yes, and also help your child with new words. Describe what you are seeing. Maybe the stations, the name of the stations. Maybe what is through the window. Maybe you see people and you see different things in the subway. In the station, anything could happen. So take your creativity up and just describe all that what you are seeing. Give new words to your baby, give your new words to your child, and bring some books, props, songs, and you are going to have a nice trip. I tell you, children will love riding the subway. So now, my friends, it's time to sit with your mommy, with your daddy, or your caregiver. Yes, ask them to come over and sing together the next song. And the next song said so. I love you forever. I like you for always. As long as I'm living, my baby you will be. I Give those children lots of kisses, lots of love. And it was really nice to see you today. I hope you really love the songs. And you have a new song today, the subway song. So practice this. And we are going to see you the next time. And now we are going to close our circle together. Are you ready? Help me. Our circle is over, is over, is over. Our circle is over. And now it's time to... What is coming next, Mommy? There you are! So let your child know what is coming next. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.
Baby beluga in the deep blue sea. Swim so wild and you swim so free. Heaven above and